Take a look at what happens when you sprinkle cinnamon onto a simple paper towel. At first, it may seem like something ordinary with no special effect, but give it a moment and you will be amazed. By adding only 2 more everyday ingredients, you can create something that transforms the atmosphere of your home, keeps away unwanted pests, and fills your space with a fragrance that feels natural, soothing, and refreshing all at once. Let's begin step by step. Take a single sheet of paper towel and place it neatly on a flat surface. Smooth it down gently with your hand so there are no folds or wrinkles. The first key ingredient is ground cinnamon. Measure out a spoonful and sprinkle it directly in the middle of the paper towel. Be sure to leave a couple of fingers width free along the edges because later we will need to fold it all together without spilling the contents. The second ingredient is bay leaves. You will only need 2 leaves. Cut them into smaller pieces so they spread evenly over the cinnamon. Bay leaves have been valued for centuries, not only for cooking, but also for their calming energy, ability to purify the air, and their natural effect of keeping insects away. I learned this trick years ago from an aunt who lives in the countryside. She never wastes money on chemical sprays or air fresheners because this natural combination is stronger, more pleasant, and completely safe to use. Now it is time to fold. Carefully fold one side of the paper towel over the mixture, then fold the other side, as if you were wrapping a small parcel. Finally, tuck in the ends so the cinnamon and bay leaf pieces are sealed inside. What you get is a small bundle full of scent and purpose. If you are thinking about trying this out, type yes in the comments. Here comes the unexpected third ingredient, toothpaste. That's right, just a small dab spread across the outside of the folded paper towel is all you need. The toothpaste gives the blend an extra freshness, enhances the fragrance, and even adds a mild antiseptic quality. Any type or brand you already have at home will work. With everything ready, take a glass jar. It is important that it is glass, not plastic, because of what comes next. Place your folded scented bundle inside and leave one small corner sticking out like a wick. Light the tip gently, not with a large flame, but just enough to let it smolder slowly. Tell me in the comments how you would rate this trick from 0 to 10. I'd love to hear your opinion. Now comes the real magic. As the paper towel smolders, it releases a delicate aromatic smoke filled with the natural oils of cinnamon and bay leaves combined with the freshness of toothpaste. The result is a warm and calming scent that cleans the air and makes your space feel inviting. At the same time, it naturally repels insects such as mosquitoes and flies, working like a long-lasting incense without chemicals or artificial sprays. Just 3 simple ingredients come together in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who might love it. I'll be back tomorrow with another useful idea. Until then, stay safe and stay inspired.